Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Squeaky Toys is probably one of the most delightful ways to keep your canine companion entertained. These tiny treasures offer endless fun, but with so many options, how do you pick the perfect one? In this video, we'll dive into the world of small squeaky dog toys, exploring what makes them great and what you should keep in mind when choosing the ideal toy for your furry friend. Number 5. Hound Squeakin, Squirrels 3-pack replacement toys. This is a 3-pack of replacement squirrels. They are designed for the hide a squirrel plush puzzle. It is a great way to keep the fun going. This toy combo brings interactive hide-and-seek fun to playtime. It is a great way to bond with your dog. Don't have the puzzle? No problem. These squeaky squirrels are perfect for toss, fetch, and other games. Your dog will love them. The plush texture is gentle on teeth and gums. This makes them ideal for both puppies and adult dogs. Always supervise your dog during playtime. Replace the toy if it becomes damaged to ensure safe use. What we like? These replacement squirrels are perfect for the hide a squirrel plush puzzle, and they're gentle on your dog's teeth. If you have a dog that loves interactive games and already owns the hide a squirrel puzzle, this is a great way to keep the fun going. It's a simple way to extend playtime. What people say. The squeakers inside really catches his attention, and he just loves to pounce on it. It keeps him entertained for a long time. They are also covered with dog spit, but as they are dog toys, that is to be expected. Number 4. Nocciola 12 PCS Plush Squeaky Dog Toys. Introducing a delightful set of 12 plush squeaky toys. These adorable toys come in various shapes and vibrant colors, sure to capture your dog's attention. Does your dog have a lot of energy? These toys help expend that energy and reduce anxiety. This can also help to minimize destructive behaviors around the house. These toys are designed to help clean your dog's teeth and massage their gums. The washable fibers help fight against tartar buildup and prevent gum diseases. It also satisfies their natural chewing instincts. Made from soft plush and fabric, these toys are perfectly safe for your pets. They are reliable and designed for your dog to chew and play with. This pack includes a variety of small-sized plush squeaky toys, perfect for little breeds. They are the ideal size for your small dog to enjoy. What we like? This 12-pack offers a delightful assortment of plush toys in various shapes and colors. If you are looking for a variety of toys to keep your small dog entertained and reduce their anxiety, this is a great choice. The different shapes and squeakers will keep them engaged, and the plush material is gentle on their teeth. What people say. These are the perfect size for my puppy. They are holding up well to her chewing and playing. The squeakers still work, which is a huge plus. Number 3. Legend Sandy Squeaky Plush Dog Toy Pack. This pack includes 12 different animal-shaped toys, perfect for small dogs. They come in various shapes like dinosaurs and giraffes. This bundle is a great gift for your pets. These squeaky toys are made of soft, non-toxic cotton and plush. It's suitable for teething and helps with dental cleaning. Playing with them benefits their growth. Chewing is natural for dogs, and this plush toy pack is designed for light chewers. It allows them to release their natural instincts. They will love these toys. Each toy has a squeaker, making it easy for puppies to make sounds. The toys are hand-stitched instead of glued. You can wash them by hand or machine. These toys are designed for slightly aggressive chewers. We aim to provide products that satisfy you. Contact us with any questions for a satisfactory solution. What we like? This pack is a great gift for your puppy. If you like a variety of cute and soft toys for your small dog, this set is ideal. They are made of soft, non-toxic materials, making them safe for teething puppies. The squeakers add an extra layer of fun. What people say. The toys are the perfect size for my small dog. They are holding up well to her chewing. The squeakers still work after a couple of weeks. Number 2. SHARLOVY Small Dog Squeaky Plush Toys, 12-pack. Introducing a delightful pack of squeaky toys, perfect for your small dog. These plush toys feature a variety of cute animal designs, each with its own unique charm. Made with soft plush fur and hand-stitched details, these toys are designed for safe and fun play. The toys are stuffed with squeakers to keep your dog entertained. This bundle includes 12 different animal toys, offering great value and hours of entertainment. The squeaky sounds will keep your dog engaged for hours. These toys are perfect for interactive play, encouraging your dog to run, chase, and exercise. The toys are great for reducing boredom and anxiety. Made from high-quality, non-toxic cotton, these toys are safe for puppies. It is a great chew toy for small to medium-sized dogs and light chewers. These toys come in a beautiful package, making them a great gift for your furry friend. Give them as a birthday or holiday present, and watch them enjoy their new toys. What we like. These toys come in a variety of cute animal designs and are designed for small dogs. If you're looking for a set of squeaky toys to keep your dog entertained, this is a great option. The soft plush material and squeakers will provide hours of fun, and the variety of animals will keep your dog engaged. What people say. These are perfect for chewers as they do not have filling in them, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up the fluff left all over the house. My dogs love the 2 squeakers in them as well as they are tough enough to withstand them playing tug-o-war with them. They're soft and so cute and they come with so many different designs that it is worth the money in my opinion. Number 1. Nocciola 15-pack Small Squeaky Crinkle Dog Toys. These small dog toys have built-in squeakers or crinkle paper to capture your dog's attention. The various fruit and vegetable shapes will keep them entertained throughout the day. Fill the grocery bag with the squeaky toys and let your dog dig them out. You can even hide a treat inside the basket. They will go crazy trying to find the snacks. The soft, stuffed toys are designed to be gentle on your dog's teeth and gums. The cotton fabric's texture provides friction, aiding in teething and teeth cleaning. These toys are made from high-quality materials and feature exquisite embroidery. They are also made with upgraded strong stitching, making them very bite-resistant. The set includes a 13-inch grocery bag for easy storage and play. The fruit and vegetable toys range in size from 3.5 to 8.3 inches, ideal for puppies and small to medium-sized dogs. What we like. This set offers a unique grocery basket theme with squeaky and crinkly toys. If you like to provide mental stimulation for your dog, this set is perfect. The hide-and-seek aspect and variety of shapes will keep your dog engaged, and the durable materials ensure they last. What people say. There is such a variety of sizes, shapes, and textures in this pack. Many of the toys have such unique and fun designs. For instance, Bruno's first favorite was the avocado, which is held together with Velcro and splits in half. All of the veggies have multiple high-quality squeakers that just won't give up, and seem to make exactly the sound my puppy likes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.